Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Today we're diving into something that every online business is dealing with right now. I'm talking about returns and reverse logistics. Why traditional return systems need an upgrade, and how modern reverse logistics strategies can actually turn this challenge into a profit driver. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, let's talk numbers. The average e-commerce return rate in 2025 is between 17% to 25% for general products, but for fashion and footwear, it can hit 40%. That's a significant portion of orders coming back. And processing those returns costs between 20% to 39% of the product's original price. So you're not just losing the sale, you're paying to handle it too. The challenge is, most businesses are running on logistics systems that were only built for shipping products out. Here's what happens with traditional return systems. Labor costs add up because someone has to physically open the box, inspect the item, and decide if it's sellable. If this is done manually with paper processes, it's slow and costly. Restocking delays mean returned items sit on docks, and you can't sell them while they're in that limbo. If it's a popular item, you're potentially missing new sales. Many returns can't go back at full price due to opened packaging, minor damage, or time delays. That price gap is a direct loss. And fraud is increasingly common. Wardrobing, counterfeit swaps. Without digital tracking, it's really hard to catch. Here's where it gets interesting. The solution isn't to stop accepting returns. That would hurt customer trust. The answer is to manage the return process with the same precision you use for outbound shipping. The number one goal is speed, minimizing the time between refund request and getting that product back in sellable inventory. Modern platforms work like this. The moment a return label gets scanned, the system initiates the reverse flow. It can even make decisions before the box arrives. For example, a low-value item from a trusted customer can be auto-routed for quick restocking. When it hits the warehouse, staff use a mobile app that tells them exactly what to do. Inspect, restock to a specific location, send for repair. That product can be back in your online store within hours instead of days. Automation solves the customer service bottleneck. With a self-service portal, customers start their return online. The system checks purchase date and eligibility automatically. Based on your rules, like if wrong size and within 30 days, auto-approve. The return gets handled instantly. For fraud protection, high-value items like electronics have their serial numbers tracked. When the item returns, the system verifies it's the exact same unit. If it doesn't match, it gets flagged. Same thing with lot numbers for cosmetics or food products. When something comes back, you want to extract maximum value from it. Smart grading is essential. Warehouse staff do quick inspections using the mobile app. A grade for full price resale, B grade for slight discount, C grade for liquidation. For products with expiration dates, the system checks automatically and routes items appropriately. A-grade items go to prime picking locations for quick resale, while C-grade items go to liquidation channels. Plus, there are clear paths for responsible disposal and recycling, which is better for both the environment and your brand reputation. Here's the real payoff, though: customer loyalty. Studies show 92% of customers will buy from you again if the return process is easy. With real-time processing, you can send refund notifications almost instantly when the item is received. Everything's digital with a full audit trail, which eliminates disputes. When you make returns smooth, fast, and transparent, you turn a potential negative into a loyalty driver. People will choose to shop with you because your returns experience is actually good. So here's the bottom line. With e-commerce growing and customers expecting easy returns, you need a solid reverse logistics strategy. It's becoming essential for profitable scaling. The companies using automation, smart grading, and real-time tracking are turning returns from a cost center into a competitive advantage. A full system like Shipedge can be your partner to deal with the whole returns process. If you want to dive deeper into all of this, click the link in the description or visit our website, www.shipedge.com. There are tons of resources and case studies to help you optimize your returns process. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce and logistics content. Drop a comment if you have questions. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.